Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a special treat. We're going to read a book called What Makes a Rainbow? It's written by Betty Schwartz and illustrated by Donna Turner. It's a magic ribbon book. What do you think this is about? Do you think it's about grocery store shopping?
No.
No. Do you think it's about driving a dump truck?
No.
No. Do you think it's about finding what makes a rainbow?
Yes.
Yes. Join me. Let's read it together. What makes a rainbow? Little Rabbit and his mother were sitting under a big flower petal. Look, she said. It stopped raining. Yes, said Mama Rabbit. Soon we'll see a rainbow. What makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Why don't you ask your friends? Said Mama Rabbit. Here's our first friend. Ladybug, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Red, said Ladybug, gently closing her red wings. You need red to make a rainbow. There's red all around her. The ladybug is red, the strawberry is red, the flower petals are red. And here's our magic ribbon. Let's see what's next. Mr. Fox, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Orange, said Mr. Fox, swishing his orange tail. You need orange to make a rainbow. Here's the friend, Mr. Fox, with oranges surrounded around him. And the color orange with our magic ribbon. Let's see which color is next. Little Chick, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Yellow, said Little Chick, fluffing her soft yellow fuzz. You need yellow to make a rainbow. Wow, yellow flowers, yellow chick, and a yellow magic ribbon. Let's see, which color is next? Mr. Grasshopper, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Green, said Mr. Grasshopper, rubbing his long green legs together. You need green to make a rainbow. Here's our magic green ribbon with green leaves, green plants, and a green grasshopper. Let's see which color is next. Bluebird and Beetle, what makes a rainbow? Blue, said Bluebird, ruffling her pretty blue feathers. And indigo, said Beetle, showing her shiny indigo back. You need blue and indigo to make a rainbow. There's Beetle and Bluebird with blue all around. And our magic ribbon. Let's see, which color is next? Butterfly, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Purple, said Butterfly, spreading her delicate purple wings. You need purple to make a rainbow. There's our magic ribbon, purple flowers, and a purple butterfly. All of our friends are here. Well, said Mama Rabbit to Little Rabbit, now you know what makes a rainbow. Rain, the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple, and sunshine. All of our friends are here. The end. Thank you for reading the book with me. What was your favorite part? of the book. Which was your favorite color? Was it the color red? The color orange? Was it the color yellow? Was it the color blue? The color indigo? Or purple? Those are nice colors. Today we have an activity to do. And in today's activity, what we're going to do is we're going to decorate and make our very own rainbow. I have our colors ready. Let's see if you remember some of the colors and characters that came out in the book. So we have our paper, and we're going to start with the color
Red.
red. We're going to make our rainbow. Here's the first one. Can you say, I have the color red?
I have the color red.
Good job. Let's put it on our paper. There we go. We're going to glue it to the back, and we're going to press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Do you remember which color is next? Did you guess it? The color
Orange.
orange. Good job. Can we say, I have the color orange?
I have the color orange.
Good job. Let's glue it right on top. So we're going to put some glue. We're going to press. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Do you remember what color is next? Did you guess it?
Yellow.
The color yellow. Good job. Let's put the color yellow on the rainbow. Can you say, the color yellow is next?
The color yellow is next.
Good job. And we're going to glue it right on top of the orange. And we're going to hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Do you remember which color was next?
Green.
The color green. Good. Say, I have the color green.
I have the color green.
Good. We're going to glue it on the rainbow. And how many counts do we hold it down for?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, do you remember what color is next?
Blue color.
I have the color blue. Good. Let's say the color blue is next.
The color blue is next.
Good job. And we're going to glue it on the rainbow. Here we go. Let's count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now we have the color
Purple.
purple. Say, I have the color purple.
I have the color purple.
Good job. Let's put it on the rainbow. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, now, do you remember some of the characters we had? We have some characters to match the colors on our rainbow. First we have
Ladybug.
a ladybug. Let's glue this close to the color red. So where is the color red? Is it here?
No.
No. Is it here?
Yes.
Yes. Let's press it down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So next we have, do you remember our friend, Mr. Fox? Here he is. Let's glue him close to the color
Orange.
orange. Let's see. Let's put a little bit of glue. And we're going to put him, the orange, is the middle of the orange?
No.
No. Is this the orange?
Yes.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Next we have the color.
Yellow.
You guessed it. Yellow. Let's put the chick on the yellow part of the rainbow. Okay, let's see. Right about here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, the next one is the color
Green.
green. And do you remember Mr. Grasshopper? Here he is. We're gonna put him next to the green color. Here we go. Here's the green. We're gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now we have
Blue.
Bluebird. Okay, Bluebird, you're going next to the color blue. We'll put him right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have also the butterfly. The butterfly is the color
Purple.
purple. That's right. Let's hold the purple butterfly in the middle. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. We're almost done. Now remember what was needed at the end of the book?
Sunshine.
It was sunshine. So we have our sun to put right on our picture. Let's glue it on the top. Let's hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have,
Clouds.
you guessed it, the clouds or the sky. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Thank you for reading the book with me and doing our activity. This is a beautiful rainbow. Can you say, I made a beautiful rainbow?
I made a beautiful rainbow.
Good job. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.